Hi, I would like to talk about myself. My name is Sunny, and I am a 12-year-old student. I study at Nguyễn Secondary School, which is a big school in my town. I live in a small, cozy house in Dong Nai. I like to wear casual clothes, usually jeans and t-shirts. In my free time, I enjoy reading books and listening to music. I am friendly and like to spend time with my friends and family. Now, let's practice. What's your name? How old are you? Where do you study? Where do you live? What kind of clothes do you like to wear? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? How do you like to spend your time? What are you like?